Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVerse, your go-to channel for the latest in tech news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into how you can turn ChatGPT into your ultimate AI coding power tool. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, these 25 tips will help you double your programming output and make coding faster, easier, and more efficient. Let's get started. First, let's set the stage. ChatGPT is a magic genie that can write entire programs for you. Instead, think of it as a power tool, like a table saw for woodworking. It won't build the furniture for you, but it will help you cut the wood faster and more precisely. Over the past 2 years, I've used ChatGPT to turbocharge my coding, and I'm convinced it has doubled my productivity. Here's how you can do the same. Give the AI small, well-defined tasks. ChatGPT excels at handling simple, specific instructions rather than complex, multi-step projects. Break your work into smaller chunks and let the AI handle them one at a time. Treat ChatGPT like a Slack conversation. Instead of long email exchanges, imagine you're in a quick back-and-forth chat. This approach keeps the interaction fast and iterative. Prompt iteratively for complex tasks. Start with simple requests, and as the AI delivers, add more details to refine the output. This step-by-step approach ensures better results. Test every piece of code. Never assume the AI's code will work perfectly. Always test it in your project to ensure it functions as expected. Use the debugger. Step through the AI-generated code line by line to understand how it works and catch any errors. Keep AI tools separate from your IDE. While many coding tools now integrate AI, I prefer using ChatGPT as a standalone tool. This keeps your primary coding environment clean and under your control. Cannibalize code snippets. You don't have to use everything the AI generates. Pick and choose the lines that work best for your project, just like you would with code from Stack Overflow. Avoid proprietary or institutional knowledge. ChatGPT doesn't know your unique business logic, so stick to tasks that rely on common knowledge and libraries. Provide examples for context. Share snippets of your code with the AI to help it understand your project's context and generate more relevant solutions. Use AI for common knowledge coding. ChatGPT is great at writing code for popular libraries and APIs, saving you time on routine tasks. Ask for 1 or 2-line snippets. Even small requests can save you time, so don't hesitate to ask for quick fixes or simple functions. Tell the AI when code doesn't work. If the AI's output isn't functional, explain the issue and ask for a revised version. Use one AI to check another. Compare outputs from different AI models to ensure accuracy and quality. Let the AI handle CSS selectors. Writing CSS selectors can be tedious, but ChatGPT can generate them quickly and accurately. Use AI for regular expressions. Regular expressions are tricky, but ChatGPT can write and test them for you. Test regular expressions with AI. Feed a regular expression back to ChatGPT and ask, "What does this do?" to ensure it works as intended. Delegate complex loop math. Let the AI handle intricate loop logic, saving you time and reducing errors. Ask, "What's wrong with this code?" Feed problematic code to ChatGPT and let it identify and fix errors. Ask, "What does this do?" Use ChatGPT to explain unfamiliar code, whether it's your own or someone else's. Know when to give up. If the AI can't solve a problem after a few attempts, reword your prompt or tackle it yourself. Use descriptive variable names. Clear names help the AI understand your intent and generate better code. Read the AI's notes. ChatGPT often provides helpful context before and after generating code. Ask for more help on existing snippets. Share your code with ChatGPT and ask for improvements or additional features. Rewrite obsolete code with AI. Use ChatGPT to update deprecated code from modern languages and frameworks. Learn new languages with AI. If you're coding in an unfamiliar language, ask ChatGPT for comparisons and examples to speed up the learning process. By following these tips, you can turn ChatGPT into a powerful coding assistant that saves you time and boosts your productivity. Whether you're debugging, writing CSS, or learning a new language, ChatGPT is here to help. What do you think about using ChatGPT for coding? Have you tried any of these tips? Or do you have your own strategies? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of technology.